Ki Param Shanti. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Deshrat Bhai Patel. Bapuji is explaining about Parandam. Param Shanti. Now I will explain you about Parandam, that is supreme abode of our solar system. Incorporeal Shiv resides in this supreme abode. He is also named as Parabrahma Parameshwar. He is beyond all qualities, actions and feelings. He has supreme light in him. Above that, he has a layer of supreme supra element, that is Param Mahatattva. Above that, there will be a layer with supreme ether element. Complete supreme abode is filled with supreme ether element. It is very huge place. After doing a lot of austerity and penance of Parabrahma Parameshwar for many yugas, soul slowly reaches from Bhulok to Bugurlok, Svargalok, Mahalok, Janalok, Tapalok, Satyalok, Brahmapuri, Vishnupuri, Shivpuri and reaches up to supreme abode. After coming here, souls becomes karmatit, means beyond all actions. Souls becomes equivalent to Shiv, that means Jeev to Shiv. On earth, it is just a soul, human soul. That human soul turned into Shiv. That means became equivalent to Shiv. Only high quality souls can reach up to this supreme abode. Souls with at least having a little bit of supreme light can come here. If supreme ether elemental soul came to this supreme abode, it gets diluted here because this supreme abode is an ocean of supreme ether. If the soul is created with supreme air and supreme fire element, they don't come even up to Shivpuri. Only the souls at least having 0.1% supreme light can stay here in this supreme abode. Slowly, they mingles within incorporeal Shiv. Mingles means a supreme light soul merging in the power of incorporeal Shiv due to his gravity. Incorporeal Shiv's gravity can't pull the souls who are having more than one celestial power or other Shiv category souls who came from other solar systems with 1 to 4 celestial power. So many souls come here from other solar systems and galaxies like 8 to 12 celestial and they returns. This is very huge supreme abode. Supreme abode is like a platform for incorporeal souls who comes from other solar systems and galaxies like Shiv and Mahashiv. If tourist souls want to visit this solar system, the planes which are below supreme abode, then they comes to Shivpuri and from there to Vishnupuri. Slowly on visiting Brahmapuri, they comes down to Svargalok's illusionary atmosphere and on name of adventure, they comes down to this earth and turns to humans. And it becomes very hard to them to escape from here. Only they can go from here after experiencing a lot of sorrows and pains and after doing a great austerity and penance. And they gradually reaches to above planes. After reaching Satyalok, they realizes the truth that they didn't belongs here and they came from galaxy. So they directly reaches supreme abode by doing penance. These souls can reach Brahmapuri from Satyalok on becoming incorporeal. Because these are very high quality souls like Shiv and Mahashiv category with 8 to 12 celestial power or with 16 celestial power. At once, with a high jump, they can reach supreme abode. From other solar systems and galaxies, souls comes and goes to the supreme abode. Universal souls doesn't come here directly. At first, they goes to galaxies. So many souls continuously comes and goes to this supreme abode. This supreme abode is like airport of souls. Supreme abode means incorporeal airport. Only from here, souls can go to other solar systems and galaxies. They can't go directly to other solar systems from Shivpuri or Vishnupuri or from Brahmapuri. This is very mystical thing. Here souls becomes karmatit, so it is equivalent to Shiv. There will be no karmic bondages. They will have complete knowledge. They realizes that we have came from galaxy, so we have to return to that place. In supreme abode, there is supreme peace and supreme happiness. Here souls have Param Anand, that is supreme happiness, and Nijanand means one having happiness in oneself. Here there is groupism, but no one interferes in others' group. Here when soul on becoming incorporeal, they will have the complete knowledge about solar system and galaxy. They don't have any karmic bondages. Here souls experience incorporeal stage, supreme happiness and supreme peace. Here soul will in a stage of Paramanand, Nijanand Swarupam and Divyanand Swarupam. On name of adventures, those souls who experienced the earth don't even dare to go down again. They return from where they came. बेहद की परम शांति.